All right, crowded aboard the International Space Station and crowded in the tropics.
Yeah, a lot going on.
A lot going on. One system has the potential to mess with us. The other three are actually looking to go kind of the other way or not toward us. But let's get you caught up. I've got information on everything. I know this one's making us all a little curious as to what it's going to do. So in looking at the National Hurricane Center, we've got no chance for development in the next 48 hours. But over the next 7 days, it's a 50% chance that something could develop within this area in the Gulf. And so certainly we're keeping an eye on it. This is not a track. This is just where a potential storm could develop. And I know it takes you back to Helene, but let me tell you what we're looking at here. So really what we're looking at is the potential for this to develop into a tropical depression by midweek, okay? All of this is potential right now. We don't know that that's going to happen. These percentages could move down or up, but I will tell you the water is very warm in this area and it is favorable in some ways for the development of what could be that tropical depression. So we'll keep an eye on it, and until we worry, you don't have to worry, but you'll know first right here on News4JAX as and if a system develops. Tropical Storm Isaac, it's out there, but it's going the complete other way, away from us, out at sea, so this is not going to bother us. Tropical Depression Joyce going to do the same thing. It's not going to bother us at all. It stays out to sea and then dissipates, and we have 12. So this is a disturbance that we're watching, and it looks right now as if this thing would strengthen out at sea and make that turn, stay well away from us. So, you know, again, one potential system that could form in the Gulf there is what we're watching. So we'll keep eyes on it. But here at home locally today, as you get out and ready for school, 7 a.m. you'll be around 73 degrees, partly sunny out there for you as you start the day. It's going to be a nice day. By 3 o'clock, 88 degrees and partly cloudy. Some of you could have a pop-up shower or two, and we'll talk about who, but I do want to show you temperatures first. 60s and 70s out there right now, almost at 80 in Mayport already this morning. So as we get going, you know, things are looking good this morning. We've got a look here at 121 Financial Ballpark. A bright morning for you as the sun comes up. It'll be a gorgeous sunrise and nothing on radar yet that's bothering us. But again, later this afternoon, that could be changing. We will certainly see some of these isolated pop-ups come in by about 1:15. McClenny, Lake City, Gainesville, likely to see some of those showers. And then they move into Mayport, Jacksonville, Orange Park, Green Cove Springs, and St. Mary's, some of which could produce some heavy rain, but this will not be a widespread event, and it'll be something that we keep close eyes on. So into Mayport even tonight, you could continue to see some of those showers. And tomorrow, much of the same. In the afternoon, that high heat of the day, a couple of isolated pop-ups come in. Getting heavier, though, for areas like Palatka and Palm Coast as we get into the overnight hours. So there you go. We'll be tracking it. As you look at the rip current risk, it's moderate out there today. In your hourly forecast, 70s to 80s, 88 degrees, and a few of those afternoon showers. So send the raincoat with the kids, but not all of them are going to need it. It's just a nice precautionary measure. We're in the 90s for the next 2 days, digressing back into the low 80s by Saturday and Sunday, with rain chances picking up as we get closer to the end of the week.